Hi, I'm Renzander. Just want to review my Pietro Beretta US 9mm M9 pistol lighter. This is the top of the box. It's the back of the box. Same like this. So let's open the box. Can I hold on? So that's the Beretta. It has a free stand. Just like that. Oh, if you see the Beretta, it's rusty. I think it's rusty, no? But it's not really rusty. Look, the barrel. The barrel works. And the trigger and the hammer. So let's open. Just like that. I had some tissues to wipe it. So yeah, it's a lighter. For your information, this is a lighter, not an airsoft and toy. Yeah, I mean this is a toy, but this is a lighter. It has no gas. Just want to make it safe. If you pull the trigger, the hammer is not. You can just do that and pull the trigger. The barrel works. Oh. If you buy a silver Beretta lighter, it's look rusty. So because I added it more tissue to wipe it. Don't make rusty the barrel. The barrel works, but you can cock it, but it's harder. Oh, let's see the sights. Sights work. The grip is black and plastic, and all of this is metal except this grip is a plastic. All of this is metal. Okay. Okay, so see you next time. Bye. Please like and subscribe. Bye.